While we were recently cruising on the Carnival Paradise with our family, we made an in depth room tour video. So make sure you check that out. But we also have some bonus footage here because my sister was willing to give us a quick tour of her cabin as well so that you could see a ocean view cabin that had a twin bed configuration. So make sure you check out this bonus footage from our guest correspondent.
Hello, and welcome to our room. Come on in. We are aboard the Carnival Paradise, and we just got into our room. We are so excited. We got 2 twin beds and a view outside, and we're just so excited. They got this nice little desk here where we can work with some good well, here's the refrigerator. So you can put some stuff in the refrigerator. Need to. A blow dryer if you need it, and this space is empty. I'm probably going to be able to put stuff because I'm always looking for storage. Where am I going to put all my suitcases and all my luggage to make sure that my space is clean? We do have some closets here, which are pretty good. So this first one has a mirror, all these hangers, and this is for your long wear. And this one is actually divided in half. It's 2. So you can put short, and I'm planning on putting some of my luggage down here for storage. But yes, the room is nice, and we are excited. So yeah, we got this space, and we got the 2 beds. Now I will say it's a little tight. So make sure whoever you stay with, you like them. Because the twin beds are kind of tight, kind of close, but the mattress feels good. I even wanted to got a little water bed under here, but it is really soft. And we got this view, curtains open or closed, depending on what kind of light we want. So yeah, we ready. We ready to go. Let's get this ship going.